Hello everyone. Google Bard got an update and it's more powerful and accurate than before. It is now available for everyone as there is no waitlist. New Bard is using PaLM2, Google next generation large language model that excels at advanced reasoning tasks including code and math. To access Bard, go to bard.google.com and sign in using your Google account. If you want to build your own application using Palm API, I would request you to go ahead and join this waitlist. I'll provide the link in the description of the video. You can take it from there and provide all the details. You have sample request here. You know how you can make a request. So once you have the access via waitlist, you will get your API key here. And then we have something called prompt gallery. This is really great. So let's have a look at some prompt here. In the left side, you have filter. You can filter it by text, data, or chat. Then you have bulletize, classify a request, create party ideas. So let's have a look at this creative party ideas. So you'll see here the prompt goes something like this. Come up with high concept dinner party idea. Bullet out some fun ideas for snacks, party games, and get to know your activities. So let's take this prompt and see what we get out of the bar. So you'll go ahead, provide your prompt here, click on submit, and let's wait for the response. So we have the response here. Let's have a look. Here is a high concept dinner party idea theme. The theme of your dinner party could be anything you like, but it's always fun to choose a theme that reflects your interest or personality. For example, if you love to travel, you could have a around the world dinner party. Then there are some options for food. Then they have given for decoration, activities, then complete details about snacks, party games, or get to know your activities. The best thing about Bard here is you have draft option. If you don't like the draft one answer, you can go ahead and select draft two or draft three. That is something amazing as a part of Bard. And one more thing here is you have this export response option. So if you click on this, you can either directly export this as a part of document or draft in a Gmail. So let's click on this export to doc. So it is creating a document out of this. New document created. You can go ahead and click on this document here. And now you don't have to copy paste anything. Everything is over here. So this is really amazing. Let's have a look at some other prompt. So I'll go ahead for the coding this time. So we have this fizzbuzz in Python. So let's see what we can do here. So the prompt goes like write fizzbuzz in Python, comment each line. Okay. So I'll take this, and if you want to clear this, you can clear or you can go ahead. So for this, I'll just go ahead and reset this chat. So I'll take this prompt and paste it here. Write fizzbuzz in Python, comment each line in Hindi. So let's see if it is able to write the comment in Hindi or not. Let's go ahead and see. I could have gone with any other language, but Hindi is my native language, so I'll see that if it is correct or not. Okay. Okay, so as of now, I don't think so it supports Hindi. That's good. So let's go ahead and try something else. Comment each line in Spanish. Spanish. Let's try this one. Okay, so it doesn't work. So let's try some other language. Korean, as it says in their demo that it works with the Korean language. So let's see. So yeah, so we do have support for Korean language. So we have Fizzbuzz and input, then we have details over here, and programs looks fine. The best thing about this export response here is you can now export this code directly in Collab. So all the Python codes can be directly exported to Collab, and you can run that and see the output. So let's go ahead and try this Fizzbuzz program and see if it's working fine or not. So you can see that it is well defined. It has taken everything. It has even set the title over here, and we have complete code. So let's go ahead and click run this and see the output. So now we have an input option here where we can provide our input. So I'll go with 10 and enter. Let's see. So see here we have the output as 1, 2, fizz, 4, buzz, fizz, 7, 8, fizz, and buzz. That's great, right? So this is how you can export the code directly to Collab. And as we can see that it doesn't support Hindi or Spanish, but as of now it does support Korean. So Bart seems to be good with reasoning. So let's go ahead and try this one. So this is something taken from Chat GPT-4, GPT-4 example. So let's see if it is able to solve this or not. So we have the answer here. Let's see. Given the availability, Andrew, and the meeting between 12 p.m. to 12:30. So this looks correct. So the next prompt which we will test is about writing an email, which I normally test for all the chatbot. So let's see how well it can write. It is pretty fast. As I said that you have three different draft here. Okay, so you can select any one of that. So let's read the first one. I'm writing to request a sick leave for today, date, and so on, so on. This looks fine. Let's see other draft as well. So it has little bit more information over here. And third one is again, shorter version of that. So consider that if you want to take this, you can go ahead, click on export response and draft in Gmail. Once you click here, what it will do is it will draft the complete email in your Gmail and you can directly send it to your manager from here. So this is awesome. You have a subject here and you do have to remove a little bit from here. So and update the details. That looks great, right? And you can put the recipient name and send. Next, let's try and see if it is good with math. They're saying that this new PaLM2 is really good with math. So I'm going with little bit difficult question here using BODMAS rule. So let's see what answer it will provide. The correct answer is 72. Let's see if it is able to give us the correct answer or not. Okay. Okay. The answer is wrong here. And if you want to provide an update, you can go ahead and you can click on bad response, not factually correct, and you can provide the complete details over here. Okay, so that you can do. I'm just going with the response marking as bad response here. Okay. Okay, so let's reset this chat, and this time I'm going with a very simple HTML, CSS, and vanilla JavaScript. This project will not have anything. It will have just a single button, and click of this button, it will change the body color. Okay, so let's see what code it will generate. So we have complete details here. We have math.random and then to string 16. This doesn't look correct to me. I'll just ask once more because this part is not correct. I'll just provide a prompt here. Could you please check the random color code once more and see? It should be able to figure it out, and yes, this time it is able to give us the correct code. Okay, because this will not work out because it is just generating any random number which cannot create a hexacolor. Okay, so let's go ahead and ask for give me the full code in one file. Give me the full code in one file, and let's take that. Now we have the complete details here. Let's copy this code. So I have saved this file as a part of my text file as bar test.html, and I'm running this over here in Chrome. So let's click on this button and see if it is able to change the color or not. That's great. Looks fine. So this bar is going to get improved even more as per the Google. Soon we will have a visual result as a part of the chat response. Apart from that, it will have image input response where you can provide the image and ask a question on based on that. And Google Bard is integrating with Adobe Firefly where you can create images directly in Bard using this Adobe Firefly which they are working on. So that's really great. So thank you guys. If you like this video, hit the like and subscribe button, share with your friends. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.